Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with NerdWallet for personalized finance tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the sign up button located in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page asking for your email address. Enter a valid email address that you have access to. Next, create a strong password for your account. Ensure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. After entering your details, click the Continue button. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message from NerdWallet. Open the email and click the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the NerdWallet site. You might need to log in again with your email and password. Now that you're logged in, it's time to personalize your finance tracking. NerdWallet will ask you a series of questions about your financial goals. Answer these questions honestly to ensure accurate recommendations. You will also be asked for information regarding your finances. This may include details about income, expenses, and current bills. Be sure to provide this information accurately for the best tracking experience. As you complete each section, click the Next or Continue button to proceed. Once all questions are answered, you will be taken to your personal dashboard. Here, you can view your financial overview and track your progress. Familiarize yourself with the available tools and resources in your dashboard. You can explore budgeting tools, investments, and credit score tracking. Feel free to navigate through the site to understand all features available to you. With your account set up, you are now ready to take control of your finances with NerdWallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.